A man walks down the backside of his house straight 25 meters, then turns to the right and walks 50 meters again. So let's say this is his house, ठीक है? And see, in here it is given if his house faces to the east. So we are given in which direction his house is facing. Let's say his house is facing in the east direction. This is where his house is facing. Let's say this is the direction in which his house is facing. Now we know that in which direction man has started walking. So he is walking down the back side of his house. That means he's walking in this direction. He's walking in west direction. Straight 25 meters. So he walks straight 25 meters first. थोड़ा छोटा बनाते हैं. Walking straight 25 meters. Then turns to the right and walks 50 meters. Turns to the right and walks 50 meters. Then again towards left and walks. So from here towards left, he is walking somewhere here and he has reached to this point. Again towards left and walks 25 meters. If his house faces east, so this direction is east. What is the direction from the starting point? We need to find the direction here. We need to find this direction. So if this is east, this is west, this is supposed to be north. So this particular direction is northwest. Your answer comes out to be northwest या उत्तर पश्चिम की दिशा. कैसे पता लगाया? सबसे पहले ये देखा कि घर की डायरेक्शन क्या है. यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है कि उसके घर का जो मुख है वो पूर्व की ओर है, मतलब फेसिंग ईस्ट, एंड ही इज वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स द बैक ऑफ हिज हाउस. दिया हुआ है पहले अपने घर के पीछे से सीधे जाता है, तो अपने घर के पीछे से 25 मीटर गया, देन टर्न्ड टू द राइट, फिर यहाँ से 50 मीटर, देन टर्न्ड टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट अगेन, तो यहाँ से लेफ्ट गया. तो ये हो गया 25, ये 50, 25. नेट जो फाइनल डायरेक्शन है दैट इज नॉर्थ वेस्ट. यही पूछा गया है.